In the U.S., the pandemic is now worse than it's ever been. Almost every metric is trending in the wrong direction. Records are being broken in every day in nearly every American state. More than 143,000 new infections were recorded across the U.S. on Wednesday. That is the highest single-day tally. More than 65,000 Americans are now in the hospital, and that's more than at any time since the pandemic began. Hospitals are running out of beds. New Jersey's governor is pleading with people to choose inconvenience over death. Jackson Proskow on America's surging second wave.
In El Paso, Texas, they've brought in a fourth mobile morgue as the death rate soars. In Wisconsin, hospitals have reached capacity. In Ohio, which reported 7,000 new cases Thursday, the governor warned businesses may soon be forced to close.
It's advancing quickly and seeking victims in every community in Ohio.
Yet as the virus spreads like wildfire, the White House is silent. The coronavirus task force has effectively gone dark.
There's a viral killer going on in each of our communities. If it were an army with guns, you can be sure we would be focused on it. Why aren't we focused on this virus?
Instead, in the final 69 days of his presidency, Donald Trump is blocking President-elect Joe Biden from accessing key government health agencies and data as part of his refusal to concede.
Candidly, the president and his closest advisors, when they're not actively being infected or infecting others with the coronavirus, have been doing nothing.
At current rates, the U.S. is on track to record another 150,000 deaths before Biden's inauguration in late January. Without access to government data, medical experts warn the Biden administration will be left playing catch-up on day one, despite assembling a panel of experts in advance.
They are going to have plans, they're going to have strategies, but without understanding the current status of what's happening inside the agencies, they're going to have to be doing it flying blind.
It's clear the promise of a vaccine in 2021 won't be enough to get the U.S. through the difficult months ahead. New York is approaching its self-imposed threshold for shutting schools down again, and Chicago issued a renewed stay-at-home advisory, while Americans face the prospect of explosive case growth as millions prepare to travel and gather for the busy Thanksgiving holiday. Jackson Proskow, Global News, Washington.